Well, hello everyone. Now finishing things up in the IT3125 class. Hope everyone had a great term. A few of the things I'd like to point out. One, the class is scheduled to end today at 5 p.m. That is Friday at 5 p.m. Central Time. Now, if there are trouble circumstances keeping you from getting everything done on time, please send me an email through the course room and we can make arrangements. Again, I know life happens and we need some flexibility, but just let me know and we can work around that. A few of the things we're looking at toward the end of the class, one of them was quality. I feel this is very important. It was something I did study for a bit in my master's degree. I know there's a number of quality systems such as ISO, Six Sigma. Well, those are good to take a look at. Also take a look at some of the basics out there, such as looking at the work of Deming, the work of Duran, and start with those as well, because that's the basics, and by understanding them, who knows, you could even come up with your own quality system, such as what Motorola did in the 1980s. They looked at the basics of quality, such as the work of Deming and Duran, and came up with their own system, and they ended up calling it Six Sigma. So take a look at where all of these things started from and take what fits you. You can also look at the off-the-shelf programs such as Six Sigma. They all work, but get to know them because they can really help. One of the last things we looked at was the success of a project. Again, taking a look back, when the project's being put together, such as the charter, the scope, one of the things you're doing before that is coming up with the needs. And again, you're looking at the customer, who's going to be using it, who's going to be paying for it, what do they need? And that's where all of these things that come about that you ended up looking at as far as success. So to sort of simplify it, when you're judging the success of a project, take a look at the customers. Are they happy? And then go from there. Because the customer, such as the executives, the board of directors, whoever, is paying for the project, then you also have to look at whoever is the end user of that product, of your project. Does it meet those? Are they actually happy with it? That's a good place to start. Another thing, since this is going to be one of your first courses or toward the middle of your progress through the program, I'll be teaching the capstone, which is the very last class. I hope to see you guys there. It'd be great to see you all in that class. If you have any questions about it, please email me. I will gladly answer whatever questions you have. It's been a great class. We've learned quite a bit, and hope to see you all in the capstone course at the end. Thanks, and have a great time of studies.